Hi, this is Alex Zoll and Alexander Junqueira from A2K Partners here to do our demo of our hackathon submission. We're basically have created an outbound sales solution that is going to allow us to execute leads, assign them to partners, update and set up call notes, convert the leads, approve partner deal registrations, monitor sales channels, and send marketing materials to a lead, which is one of the areas of focus for our hackathon. Also, we can do outbound calling. So with our implementation, what we've done is we've integrated to Salesforce so that we can manage leads. We've integrated to ServiceNow so that we can manage deal registrations, to Amazon Connect as our telephony solution so we can make outbound calls, and to ShareFile so that we can manage files that we're sending, and Slack so that we can monitor some of the sales channels and get notifications from that. When you use Slack, a lot of times it's very difficult to keep tabs on all the channels that you want to keep an eye on. And so this one takes those key channels that the outbound salesperson should be monitoring and send them notifications. They can be reminded, or they can do a thumbs up if they want to on a message that pops up, and it sends it over to Slack for them. The other thing we can do is we can see that I've got a deal registration that's overdue. I can make a call directly through my telephony system. I can also take a look at the leads that are coming in and have several options to call the lead, convert the lead, etc. So like if I clicked on call lead, it would go to the Amazon Connect integration and dial in my phone. And so that would be our telephony calling me to let me know that I am ready to connect with them. From the actions page, what we can see here is all the integrations. We've got the Amazon Connect outbound caller, where you can actually plug a number in and dial it and place an outbound call. We've set up the Salesforce integration that comes with Workspace with Intelligence. In there, we have the ability to go into leads, see a list of leads, view details, and from there, I can go to our ShareFile integration to send a white paper. And what that does is it brings in the email address of that lead and allows me to select as many files as I would like to send them. So I can send them the workforce experience. I can also send them the Harvard Business Review. And when I share this link, it's basically going to set up ShareFile to send a share to Norm so that he can take a look at these documents. Another thing that we did, which is kind of cool, using the logic capabilities of Workspace, the micro app builder, is we've got these conditional changes that if I was to send it to an employee, I can now pull in my employee list, or I can send it to clients and it pulls in my ShareFile clients that I can start sending documents to. So I can use this ShareFile integration independent of the integration between Salesforce and ShareFile. The other thing we have is on the Slack side of the fence, we're able to post to a channel. I can pick any of my Slack channels and type whatever message I need to, and it will send it over there. Also, I can keep an eye on everything that's going on with the different channels that I'm monitoring through Slack. With that, I'd like to show you some of the back office items specific around ShareFile. So with ShareFile, what we've done is we've created this component logic that allows us to make these items appear or disappear based on what's going on with the page that we're working with. So very cool stuff that, depending on how this is sent to employee, etc., it will rearrange and hide all of these drop downs. So this allows us to have some pretty rich functionality with ShareFile. Another design decision that we had to make specific around ShareFile was the use of Lambda functions. So with these Lambda functions, what we've done is it allows us to consolidate chained API calls into outputs that are consumable by the workspace. We also did this to combine multiple sources from ShareFile into one output to be consumed by Workspace with Intelligence. And then on these functions, the security has been configured as a pass-through. So it's entirely controlled from Workspace to ShareFile, passing through Lambda for the conversion. And with that, we'd like to thank you for your time on this. We've been very excited about this entire week with the hackathon, and we appreciate you guys reviewing what we've built. Thank you so much.